Baka magkalimutan.
The beer nuts are also donated by our real estate heiress. Okay? This is Dana Kinghorn. So we go down for the large donors kanina. The whole roasted cow was donated by Lope Lopez.
Ang hirap na kami sa inyo.
Hindi mahal.
June, please. Kasi sisira yung nakuha nila eh. Flash.
Thank you, Lomi.
Okay?
Thank you.
And then, yung lechon kanina was donated by Mr. and Mrs. Leo.
Ako hindi kasama sa picture.
Another round for Leo. Incidentally, please do not cross Leo because he might racial profile you.